Welcome to the Math Show for the SAT with Mr. DeClerico. Today, we're going to do a geometry problem. Right triangles ABC and DEF are similar, where A and C correspond to D and F respectively. By the way, that means A corresponds to D and C corresponds to F. If angle A measures 76 degrees, what is one possible measure of angle F? Is it A, 14 degrees, B, 24 degrees, C, 76 degrees, or D, 104 degrees? Take a moment to try this problem on your own. Okay, I'll assume we're ready to move on. The correct answer is A, 14 degrees. Before we begin, let's look at some tips. We see the word similar in the first line of this problem. Similar means corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are proportional. What's important for this problem is that we know that corresponding angles are congruent. Congruent, by the way, just means same. Next, we notice 90 degrees isn't one of the answers. We may be tempted to read the first line of this problem and say, well, F could be a right angle because the triangles are right triangles. However, 90 degrees isn't one of our possible answers, so we can discard that possibility. Finally, the first step we should do is sketch the triangles so they look the same. Since the triangles are similar, this should not be hard to do. A sketch of the two triangles looks like this. Since A and D correspond, we know that D has to measure 76 degrees. Now we know that F cannot be the right angle, so the only alternative is for F to be the complement of D. In other words, D and F have to add to 90 degrees. Because of that, we can subtract 76 degrees from 90 to get the measure of angle F, which is 14 degrees. That's the answer to our problem, and this ear of corn with sunglasses thinks you did a good job. Thanks for watching the Math Show for the SAT with Mr. DeClerico. Be sure to click subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff.